Well, I think for first things, he's the same like always. I think we're all professionals. We all know what our job is. I think everybody's coped with several transfers in their life, so it will not be the first, not be the last. I think he's fine. He knows what he's got to do in the last. There's another 4 or 5 days, and then he's done on holiday. So there will. If something happens, I know for the next 4 or 5 days nothing will happen. Why would he? Why would everybody take the risk and where everybody's looking at him to go to Spain, etc. So afterwards he's got time enough to do what he's got to do with Chelsea and Madrid.